kangaroos are often described... You're going to hit me. Why are you doing this? Why?
Hello everyone, once again we will cook Biko. This is very simple with 4 ingredients including water. This is the classic Biko. If you want more, you can have latik on top. And if you want more, you can have coconut candy on top. These are the ingredients. 1 pound or 456 grams of brown sugar, 2 cans of coconut milk, the 270 ml. Okay, wala jud ko kaguran diri oy. And then 2 cups of water with 2.5 cups of glutinous rice or malagkit or pilit sa Bisaya. I think we're ready to cook this. Rinse your rice and then put it in the rice cooker with 2 cups of water. Just cook it like the normal rice. Wait until it cooked. Naaman ko ning rice box. So I use the fast cook button. Leave that cook. In the pot, mix the brown sugar and coconut milk. So may numdum jud ko ani ba sa katong sa Pilipinas gagmay paminga akong mama mag luto ani lami kaayo to karon ako na po'y magluto kay wala may laing magluto diri. So try this one guys, it's really simple and it's yummy, lami good. And then just mix until you get the correct consistency which it shows on the video. Just keep on watching and you will get the good result. Almost ready now. Almost. Our rice, glutinous rice is ready. Oh. Yan. It's ready. Ayan. Ready na yung glutinous rice natin. Ready. So our latik is ready. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung consistency ha. Ganyan na siya. Consistency. Ayun na, luto na yan. Let's loosen the rice. Loosen the rice. So, may lang ginagamit ko. Okay. Pwede. Mix it. So that's a classic Biko.
And believe me, when she takes it out to parties, people's houses, there's never any left.
That's true. There you go. You have a classic Biko. So there you have a classic Biko. But we're not finished there. We'll put the toppings on top. It's like a coconut. It's a coconut candy. There you have latex on top. If you don't have an oven, you can leave it like that. Leave it for 30 minutes and the latex will set. But let's take it to the next level. You have an oven. Ta-da-da! Ayan na. Coconut candy on the crust. Yeah, it just came out from the oven. It's like a coconut candy on the top. Ang init nito.
Tapos ako, di na tulo laway.
Italagay mo dito.
Ano ko? Iwan ko? Hindi, ito.
Bahay ngayon, sabi niya rin,
Oh, magdadala ka pa nito.
konti lang po, konti lang.
Ubusin mo na yan.